So now the students, now we are going to do our workbook problems. So before what we did, so from textbook again we recapitulate through our workbook problems. Okay. See here, in the first in performance time A, the concept, so that is reading and exact time with the minute. So reading, so we should read exact time with a minute. So how to read, how to say that exact time, so with the minutes. So that concept we are going to do. The problems we are going to do means we are going to say we are going to read the time, so with exact time in minutes. Okay. Now here in the first question, observe the given clocks and write the time to exact time. See here, first in the first clock, first what we do, so first what we should do, we should check where the hours hand, here hours hand is at 7, means this is 7 o'clock, 7, and after that minutes hand, so that longer hand is a minute hand and shorter hand is a hours hand. Hours hand is at 7 and minutes hand is at 12, means it means 7 hours. When the minutes hand is at 12, then the minutes are 0, 0, 0, 0. So the time is 7 o'clock. Okay. Now in the second, in this second clock, so where the hours hand first, so the hours hand is at 10, means 10 hours hand, so that is shorter hand is hours hand is at 10, and after that, so we should check where the minutes hand, so minutes hand we have to check here. Minutes hand is, this is 5 minutes, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, here 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 minutes after 1 and before 2. So the minutes hand is after 1 and before 2 it is there, and after 1 means at 1, so we have 5 minutes, and after that 1 minutes you should count 5, 6, 7, 8, means 10 hours 8 minutes, exact in minutes 8 minutes. After 1 means after 5 minutes, 5, 6, 7, 8, at 8, 10, 8. So 10 hours 8 minutes. Okay. Then here in this clock, so first we have to check where the hours hand, so this hours hand is in between 8 and 9. If the hours hand is in between 8 and 9, 7 and 6, so 11 and 12, then that time, so which number we should take, which hours we should take, so that is a smaller we should take, so we should take 8 and 9, in between 8 and 9 this hours hand is there, it means so smaller one we should take, that is 8. In between 8 and 9, which one is smaller? 8, it means 8 hours. Then after that minutes hand, so where the minutes hand here, so here 7, after 7 it is there, 7 means at 7 how many minutes completed, if a minute hand is at 7, then how many minutes will complete, 7 5s are 35 minutes will complete, 35 till here 7, 35, 36, 37, 38, 8 hours 38 minutes, 8 hours 38 minutes. Now here where the hours hand, here hours hand is at 8, means 8 hours. Okay. How many minutes after 2, at 2 15, still here 10, 5 to the 10, 11, 12, 13 minutes, 8 hour 13 minutes. Okay. The time is 8 hour 13 minutes. So after this in your textbook more one question is given, that similar question, so according to that write your answer. Okay. So write your answer. Okay students. Okay. So now students see here, so the time here, so in your textbook it is given, so here the minutes hand, so minutes hand is first you count after 1 and before 2 it is there. So then if it after 1 and before 2, so then how to how to say how many minutes. First hours, that is 10 hours is same. So after minutes, after 1 minute till 1, so we have 5 minutes completed. 6, 7, 8 and 9. So this hours hand is at 9, means 10 hours 9 minutes. 10 hours 9 minutes. Okay. Now here, so the hours hand here is given in textbook, that is in between 10 and 9. 10 and 9 in between. So 10 and 9. So it means the least one we should take. The least one is 9. So that is 9 hours 38 minutes. So in a textbooks, the hours hand is in between 10 and 9. It means 9 hours. The least one we should take, that is 9 hours 38 minutes. Okay, students. Now the students, next second question, draw the hands to show the time. So before in the first question what he has given, already he has given hands in the clock, and there we read the time there. So here already time is given, according to the time, so we should draw hands of the clock, hands of the clock. See here in the first clock, what is the time given? 5 hours 52 minutes, 5 hours 52 minutes. 52 minutes, here minutes means already, so 52 minutes, it is near to 6. The hours hand we should draw near to 6. So here, where is 6 here? So near to 6 we should draw hours hand near to 6. Why? Because 52 minutes completed, 52 minutes completed. In out of 60 minutes, 52 minutes completed means almost it is near to 6. The hours hand is near to 6. And 52 minutes, after that 52 minutes. Then 52 means at 10, if the minutes hand is at 10, so then that is 50 minutes. After that 2 minutes we have to take. So 50, 51, 52 here. Here we should draw. So at 52, draw minutes hand. Okay. So this is our 52. After 52 minutes. So where is 50? At 10, 50 minutes. Why? 5 tens are 50. Means if minutes hand is at 10, then 50 minutes. 50, 51, 52. More 2 minutes we have to take. Okay. After 10. Then after that 12 hours 50 minutes. 50 means 50 minutes completed, means here 12 means the minute hand is near to 1, near to 1, near to 1, not 1 exact on 1, near to 1, and the hours hand is at 50 minutes. 50 minutes means in 5 table when you will get 50, 5 tenza, 5 tenza means minute hand is at tenza. 50 minutes exact on 10, exact on 10, that is 12:50. Then after that 10:41, 41 means in 10 means already 41 minutes completed. It is in between 10 and 11 we should take. The hours hand is in between 10 and 11. Okay. The hours hand is in between 10 and 11. Then after that 41. In 5 table when you will get 41, 5 8s are 40, 5 8s are, if minutes hand is at 8, 40, and 1 means more 1. So at 41 we should take a minute hand. Okay. Here we have a minute hand. This is 10:41. Next 6:59. 6:59 means minute hand is at 59 and hours hand is at almost at 7. Why? Because only 1 minute is left to, so means for 7. So for 7 o'clock only 1 minute is left. Why? Because so 60 minutes means 7 o'clock. So for 7 o'clock only 1 minute is left. So that is why the minute hand is almost at 7, almost at 7, not exact on 7. It is slightly at 7. Okay. Then 59, here at 12, then it is a 7, 1 before, 1 minute before. This is 7:59, 6:59, sorry, 6:59. Okay. Now after that 8:03 means 8, only 3 minutes, no, exact it is at 8 almost. The minute hand is at 8 and 3. after 12 3 minutes, 1 2 3 here the minute hand is at 3 minutes, okay, 8 3, okay, this is 8 3. Then after that 3 15, 3 minutes hand is at 3, slightly it moves 3 and 15. So the hours hand minutes hand is at 3, hours hand is at 3 and minutes hand is also at 3. Why? Because 3 5s are 15, 3 5s are 15 minutes, okay. So these are the times according to the, these are the hands according to the time we should draw, okay. Okay students. Now the students see here in performance time B, so using AM and PM, so anti-meridian and post-meridian. So when we use AM and when we use PM, so in the morning session, morning time, so that is AM, then afternoon session till night, so before the midnight, that is PM. So then after the midnight till, so the before noon, that is AM. So that is AM. AM time is after midnight, 12 midnight to 12 noon, that is AM. So then PM means after 12 noon to before midnight 12. So that is PM, okay. Now, so the given times we should represent in AM and PMs, okay. So observe the situation. Some situations are given. In this 4 situations are given. So some situations that you come across a day and write the time using AM and PM. AM and PM, using AM and PM, so we should represent according to the situation. And also what he is saying, remember to write correct word when using 12. If 12 is given, so then in that case you should use a correct word. So when 12 is there, so AM and PM, so we don't write AM and so PM. Why? Because so in the afternoon, if 12 is there, afternoon 12, then that we should write as 12 noon. In the midnight, if 12 is there, that is 12, so 12 midnight, okay. So that is the situation. Don't write, if 12 is there, 12 o'clock means don't write AM and PM, so after that 12, okay. So that particular word, whatever the word will come, that particular word only we should write when 12 is there, the time is 12, okay. Now here you play so with friends at 5 in the evening. In the evening, when evening time is there, that comes PM. So the first one is PM, post meridian, okay. The first answer is PM. Next, the second one, you complete your homework at 4 in the afternoon. Afternoon also, that is PM. So post meridian. So you wake up at 5 in the morning. Morning means AM, anti-meridian. AM, okay. So you eat lunch at 12 in the afternoon. 12 in the afternoon means noon, that is not AM, not PM. Noon, okay. These are AM and PM and noons, okay. When 12 exact at 12, we should take 12 noon, okay. Now the second question, so what will be the correct time? Correct time he is asking. So 2 hours before 7 PM. Before means we should take 2 hours back, means backward counting, means 7. 7 before is 6, 6 before is 5. 2 hours before means we should count 2 hours back. So that is 6 and 5, okay, 5 PM. The right answer is 5 PM. Then 2 hours after 10 AM. After 10 AM he is asking. After means forward counting. So 10, 10 after 11, 11 after 12, 12 noon, 12 in noon. After AM noon will come, afternoon PM will come, okay. Then 4 hours after 8 PM, okay, after 8 PM. So after means we should count forward. So 8, after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12 midnight. 12 exact 12 means 12 midnight. Okay. Then next, observe the given time and write what do you do at this time. So this is a general situations according to the time, according to this PM and AM, so what you are doing, that you should write. So here generally what we are doing, so that I am writing here 5 AM. At 5 AM, so what generally, so we wake up. Okay, generally. So 8:30 PM, so we are taking our dinner. So we are taking our dinner time, it is generally. So according to you, so whatever you are doing at 8:30, that you should write there. Okay, but generally what is there, that I am writing here. Okay, so then 4 PM, what you are doing at 4 PM, so playing. Or sometimes, so you are return to your school, so that is also there at 4 PM according to your schedule. So write according to your schedule. Okay, so then 6 PM, doing homeworks, study time, that is, or otherwise study time. Okay, so these are the according to the time, AMs and PM. Generally, so generally the students what they are doing, that I am writing here, so, but according to your schedule you should write. Okay, okay students. So now the students see here in performance time, see. So the next concept, 24 hours clock, 24 hours. So then how to convert the given time into 24 hours and 24 hours into AM and PM. So that we are going to discuss. See here, so write the following time in 24 hours. So 24 hours, the first question is 5 PM. When 5 PM, when PM is given, so when PM is given, then only, so we should add 12 to this hours. 12 plus 5, 12 plus 5, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 17 hours. When PM is given, then we should add 12 to the given hours. Okay, then 17 hours. Then 8:30 AM, if AM is given, no need to change, just to take as it is only, 8:30 only. Okay, then 12 midnight, that is 00:00. In 24 hours in midnight, so we will get like this, 00:00 in the midnight. So 12, then what is our time, 00:00. Okay, so this is about our 24 hours clock. Then after that, here, so 24 hours clock is given, so that we convert into 12 hours clock, 12 hours clock. Then how to convert, so 12 means in the, so 12, that is 12 noon, 12 noon means 12 only. So 12 hours means 12 noon, 12 noon, afternoon 12. 18, so then how to convert into AM and PM, 18 minus 12, 18 minus 12, from 18 we should subtract 12. So then from 18 if you subtract 12, then you will get 6, that is PM. If more than 18, more than 12 is there in the hours, then you will get PM, So more than 12 means 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So like this, till 23 hours are given, so then you should write PM for that. Subtract 12 from that, and after that PM. Now 23 means 12. So subtract 12, 23 minus 12, 23 minus 12. So how to convert this 23 into 12 hours clock? So then when it is more than 12, we should subtract 12 from the hours, that is hours 23. 23 minus 12, that is 11 PM. Okay, so this is the method to convert. So 24 hours to 12 hours, 12 hours to 24 hours. Okay, here 24 hours to 12 hours, and after that, so here 24 hours to 12 hours. Okay students, so actually this is 12 hours. 12 hours we converted into 24 hours. Here 24 hours we converted into 12 hours. The next concept in performance time, duration of the time. So how to find duration of the time? The first one, How many hours are there in between? So that is from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. First 10 a.m., 10 to 11 a.m., 11 to 12 a.m., 12 to 1 p.m. So after 12 the p.m. will come. So 1 p.m. Total how many hours? 3 hours. 3 hours duration. 12 noon. First 10 a.m. to 11 a.m., 11 to 12 noon, 12 noon to 1 p.m. So total 3 hours. Then here 8 p.m. to 11 a.m., 8 p.m. first p.m. So 8 to 9, 9 to 10, 10 to 11, 11 to 12 in the midnight, 12 in the midnight. So this is 4 hours. 4 hours, then after that 11 hours again. AMs are 11 hours. 4 plus 11, 4 plus 11, 4, and after that 11, you count 11, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. It is 15 hours duration, 15 hours. 15 hours duration. Here 12 noon to 8 p.m. 12 noon to 8 p.m. So 12 to 8. So that is 8 hours duration only. So why? Because 12 noon. After 12 noon, so then 1 p.m. then 2 p.m. then 3 p.m. then 4 p.m. then 5 p.m. then 6 p.m. then 7 p.m. then 8 p.m. Total 8 hours. What is the duration? 8 hours duration. These are the oral questions. If you want to do so means in step by step, that is also there. So that is also we can do. Here 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. So what is the time duration? Here 10 a.m. to 10 p.m., 11 a.m. to 11 p.m. So 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. So 3 a.m. to 3 p.m. So in this situation, the time duration is 12 hours. 12 hours. Okay. Okay, students. Now, in performance time, the second question. See here. So what will be the time? 50 minutes after 9 a.m. After means we should add. After means we should add. So here 9 a.m. 9 a.m. 50 minutes after means 50 minutes we should add. So then what is the answer? 0, 0 plus 5, 5 and 9. So then you will get 9:50 a.m. After 15 minutes, what is the time? 9 a.m. Now 10 minutes after 7:20, 7:20 a.m. After 10 minutes means 10 minutes we should add. 10 minutes. Add 10 minutes. 0 plus 0, 0. 2 plus 1, 3. 7 plus 0, 7. 7:30 a.m. After 10 minutes, the time is 7:30 a.m. Now 9:15 a.m. After 55 minutes. 55 minutes. Then what is the time? Here 15 plus 55, that is 70. So 70 minutes means 60 plus 10. 60 plus 10 means 1 hour 10 minutes. 10 minutes we should write in minutes place, and 1 we should take carry over on hours place. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 hours 10 minutes, that is AM. 10:10 AM. The time is 10:10 AM. Now 8 minutes after 11:50. So 11:50 PM. So 8 minutes after means 08 we should add. 8 minutes means 08. This is minutes. 0 plus 8, 8. 5 plus 0, 5. So 1 plus 0, 1, 1. 11 hours 58 means PM. 11:58 PM after 8 minutes. Okay? Understood? Okay, students.